English is a melodious language. We all want to learn English. We all want to speak English. So here is a question for you. Do you know what is the most important thing to sound more natural in English? The answer is it's phrasal verbs. Yes, it's phrasal verbs. Now I know it's impossible to learn all of them because there are so many phrasal verbs, but here with me on this channel, you can surely learn a few of them. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. Hi, my name is Soumya and welcome to my channel Let's Chat and Learn, because the more you chat, the more you learn. So today I have come with phrasal verbs related to relationship. But still, whether you are in a relationship or not, whether you're married or not, these phrasal verbs will surely help you improve your English and also make you sound more natural. So number one is ask out. Ask out means to invite somebody you like to go out with you because you are interested in that person, you like that person, and you want to have a relationship with that person. So you ask them out. That means you invite them on a date. In a sentence, my friend really likes her, but he's too shy to ask her out. Next is fall for someone. Now it doesn't literally mean that you actually fall like this, so don't go on its literal meaning. If you fall for somebody, it means you are very attracted to them. Now imagine you are sitting in a restaurant and all of a sudden you see this handsome and smart guy entering in the same restaurant, or a beautiful girl entering in the same restaurant. You see them and you feel like you are suddenly and strongly attracted to them. You like them so much. That's when you fall for somebody. So when you fall for somebody, you are suddenly and strongly attracted to them. You just love them. In a sentence, I fell for him the moment I saw him in the cafeteria. Our next phrasal verb is move in. If you move in with somebody, you start living with them. That means you start sharing your place or your house with them. In a sentence, Sam moved in with his girlfriend. After this, we have move out. Similarly, if you move out of a place, you stop living there. That means you leave the house of the person you are living with. In a sentence, after huge argument, Sam decided that he is going to move out of his girlfriend's house. Something went wrong. Now next is break up or split up. Both means the same here, and I guess we all know the meaning of this phrasal verb break up because we hear it all the time in movies and songs. So if you break up with somebody or if you split up with somebody, you end their relationship with them. In a sentence, after much consideration, Sam decided to break up with his girlfriend. So our next phrasal verb is fall out. Now this phrasal verb has two meanings. One is to become loose or detach from somewhere. For example, if your tooth or hair fall out, that means they become loose and fall out or drop out. But here we are not talking about that. Here, in terms of relationship, fall out means to have an argument with somebody or have a verbal fight with somebody. So if you fall out with somebody, you stop being friendly with them, so you no longer be their friends. In a sentence, Sam fell out with his brother and now they are not talking. Now next is get over. So if you get over something unpleasant, you start feeling happy again after something bad had happened to you. For instance, if you get over a disease or an illness, you recover from it, so you get better, you get well. And if you get over a breakup, a relationship, or a person that you are separated from for some reason, you forget them with time and you start feeling happy again, you start feeling better again. So this whole process from being sad and gloomy to be happy and well again is called getting over. In a sentence, it was hard for Sam to get over his breakup. I guess Sam has been through a lot. So our next phrasal verb is also from get. It is get along. So if you get along with somebody, you become friendly with them. That means you like them, you want to spend time with them, so you get along with them. Example, I and my little sister get along really well. Now next is settle down. It means to start living a relaxed and quiet life, especially when you get married. So you finally find your Mr. Right or your Miss Always Right, the person you like the most, and have a stable relationship with them. So you get married or start a family, whatever you like. So you settle down. Example, after 2 years of our relationship, I finally decided to settle down with him. So our last phrasal verb is hook up. And there is a very famous song on this phrasal verb, and I guess all of us have heard it. So to hook up means to have a very casual kind of relationship. So if you hook up with somebody, that means your relationship with them is very casual and normal, and you are not at all serious about that relationship. It's just a fling. And that's it for today. I hope you liked this video about relationship phrasal verbs. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you have learned something from this video and you will also use them in some real life conversation, because that's how you can remember them. Otherwise, you will forget them. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you liked the video, and if you did like it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.